That is why namhlanje ubona ngikhona la ngihamba nendodana yami. Sibonga. Izolo bese chamber district, uNkangala district. I've said to the speaker, we applaud you, we applaud our government, ukuthi for the first time, by including a boys' women's parliament. That we applaud you for that. Ngoba inkinga eziningi zisuke ekutheni ukuthi sisuke sihlangane sisodwa singobaba. Then sikhohlwe ngalabafana bethu la. You know, nawuqala thina njengabobaba we are leading ama-family wethu. Mhlambe ake ngithi uba kunamabhizinisi. Ubaba nekana amabhizinisi akadoseli indodana idosele la eduze. Ukuthi this is how we operate this business ekhaya. When ubaba pass on, then ke bese sokuba nenkinga yokuthi umntwana lo ozabo ebathi cela ibandla ayisakhona ukubereka ngendlela ubaba bekabereka ngayo bese iyawa ke ibusiness. So it is important ukuthi bobaba njengoba siza la, you must make sure ukuthi ungubaba you bring your children, you bring your boys kuyo le ndaba le, so that sizokhuluma bezwe nabo inkinga esihlangabezana nazo. Yezwakala bobaba. Now our president has finally declared ukuthi GBV, gender-based violence and femicide, is a crisis in South Africa. And indeed, it is a crisis. Izolo bafunda ama-stats. Ama-stats ayathusa abalekisana ingazi. Ake ngenze nje umzekelo. Top 5 yama-stats ebawafuna. We-rape, i-forced man, top 5. Sexual assault, iyatopha i-forced man. But guess what? Uzotha hayi ise forced man, abale forced man. Ise malahleni. But also the sexual assault umntwana ekhehla la ephola siku number 3, ranking number 3 with district. Sexual assault. Now, nikhuluma ngama red flag. I was telling them good district izolo ukuthi kunomchimana othola bulewe ngase police station. And sihlekisa ngayo lento ukuthi no hayi bamthume uphuthu. It's all over social media. Ukuthi bekagama. But few months back kuvelile kuma social media ukuthi lo muntu lo uyathwela. But because we lack ama-morals, we lack amadoda azokujamela iphola ukuthi ayi nomuntu ebathi uyathwenya la iphola ake simbize manje sizomcocisa. Because i-solution angeke kube solo kuthunywa abantu amaphuthu. That is not a solution. Because naye loyo muntu loyo mntwana loyo umntwana womfazi. It takes us back to gender-based violence. Now I was referring to ama cases akhona ePhola. Ukuthi we are ranking number 3 mhlonisha with sexual assault. Now if nasikhuluma nge-sexual assault, there's a potential manje yokuthi kube ne-rape la. Ngoba ucala ngokumphathaphatha, then at the end of the day kuba yi-rape. We are ranking number 3 in the district. But where are the men? Aphi amadoda abantu bebhaji that will stand in the gap and advocate for abantu besimame. No, we cannot as men gathered here sihlangane njengoba sihlangene in the name yokuthi si discredit abafazi. That will be completely wrong. Yes. If we are creating this platform ukuthi si discredit abafazi, then we might as well shut it. Because our state are showing ukuthi abafazi they are going through a lot. Uthi honorable speaker, poverty ayikulead ukuthi ingena ngani ku rape. Ngoba utulambile but unamandla woku-rape. Wathathaphi ngoba ulambile. So we need to raise men. We need to raise these children. Ukuthi kusasa bazoba bobaba ababhetha. Sibobaba ababhetha namhlanje. Njengoba sikhona ukuma nje sikhulume nesitshaba. Ngoba abobamkhulu basikhuluma. It is unfortunate ukuthi le generation yethu mntwana kehle. We are raising a generation ecabanga ukuthi ukubhema ukuphuza it's a right thing. Sihlala sisetshwaleni, sihlala sikuma groove, sihlala sikuyo zonke lezi zinto ezirong. Then labantwana laba sithi bayithathephi ifundo ehle. As men in Phola kumele sichange umkhumbulo wethu, sihlale ku position yethu and know and understand mhlonishwa our position. Sinabantu Phola ama project ayajama. But men are not saying anything. Sithulile sithi hayi yasibawonile bekuvaliwe lapha sekuvaliwe. But what are we saying as men? Abafazi now is all but Fridays yakhala and it's a card. We've been announcing ukuthi May 22 there will be a man to man talk by a man of truth. Where are the men? Babi. Apis ngana, apis ngoshwa. That's the problem. On top of gender-based violence, basinigela also substance abuse. Then what kind of kids are we going to raise? So raise abafana ukuthi bakhone bathole access to abuser abo mama. Next week is the 25. We are starting activism. 16 days of activism. No woman child abuse. Till 10 December. Can you get a man to talk about the 16 days iphela nini bazokwazi ukuthi bahlukumeze? And I think it's police. You must assist us. Ningabi proactive kule 16 days pay. But even beyond kwale 16 days. Achaka. Uthotha kajithi. Abahlukumezi abomama nabantwana bajithi. That is the message that we must relay on every man. Bashilo ukuthi I'm a secretary in the district of Moral Regeneration Movement. Tina we are saying ukuthi boba asibuyele emasisweni. Aboba mkhulu bekungeke kube nomama ekuthiwa washonelwa yindoda. Uyahlukumezeka la ahleli khona, uyalamba la ahleli khona. Aboba mkhulu they were there. That's the system esikhule ngayo. enkosini kaSipa. I think i-drum le isesekhona bayifaka i-concrete. Abantu beba-abuse abafazi. Hayi drum beyikhona. I-drum beyikhona. Men were dealing decisively nge-gender-based violence. That is why ubona ukuthi ngalezankathi behlile. Ayisithi bengekho. Beyikhona but not leya namhlanje kwangathi ifashile. Because men were standing up. Ngicabanga ukuthi we have to advocate yokuthi manje imithetho eminye ku-constitution yethu keba losimakanyana. Keba losimakanyana man sikhona ukuthi udila ngabanye abantu kuhle. In particular issues that are affecting child and women abuse. So that's what we need to do. We must protect abantu bengubo. We must protect abantwana. Hayi man, angithi sisaya ku discussion. Jama hlali. Now uyabona undaba ezithane kakhuluma omunye umuntu ulahla yonke le memory. Ulahla yonke le memory. That's why you need to behave.